everyone, welcome to my channel Tech Wizard. So in this video I'm going to talk about 13 tips to take the best travel photography with the phone. Number 1 is find the location, plan your shot. After you decide to go on vacation, it is very exciting. It's easy to spend hours times researching the best places to eat, stay and go during the day. Also during the research, spend a few minutes planning the shots you will take. Here are the few simple travel photography tips that can help you to do this. Search the destination Google Maps. This will help see where you are going and the drive time between certain destinations. You may have many places you want to go to get good photos. It can take a lot of time and planning to get the right spot when there is good light. Instagram locations. The first thing I do when going to certain place is I go to Instagram location. Under that location I get ideas of where to go to take pictures. This may be hiking up to a specific rock during the sunset to take a good photo with my phone. I also bookmark images where I like their ideas. This may be style of shooting or a farming technique. Use an app. The best travel photography shots can be hard to find, but one tip is to use the app. There are a few apps that show the best places to take pictures. You can try the app called Really Good Photo Spots for Apple or Photomapper Best Photo Spots on Android. These apps will decrease the time you spend researching places to shoot. Number 2. Pack an extra battery. When you are on vacation, it is easy to run out the battery on your phone. Taking pictures on your phone takes up more battery than normal use. You may not be in place to charge your phone, so a battery can be helpful. Travel photography takes time, patience, and a few tips to get the right shot. This means that your phone will use up battery. It is disappointing to wait to get the perfect candid shot, then to realize that your phone is out of batteries. A simple portable battery pack is easy to use. There are many types of battery packs. I recommend the Lander Cascade Power Bank 7800. This is because of the versatility, auto off saving mode, and the number of charges. The number of times you can charge your phone with the power bank before recharging. The Lander Power Bank is built for durability and adventure. The grip makes it so you can balance it off in the distance without holding it. I keep one of these with me whenever I am making pictures in case I need more battery power when I am go. Number 3. Teeny human. One of the best travel photography tips is to show the scale of landscape with a person standing in the distance. A person in the distance makes the viewer feel like they are in that shot. This personifies the shot and shows emotions. The teeny human landscape picture are all around the internet, especially on Instagram. These images are very trendy right now and are easy to capture. Begin by setting your phone on a rock to scope out a place to stand, then set up a tripod with your phone to make the shot. Lastly, set the timer or use a remote to take the shot of you as the lone viewer in the beautiful landscape. Number 4. Capture the locals. Our travel photography tip is to capture people who are different than you. They may have different traditional food and culture. That is why they are so interesting and fascinating to capture. One travel photography is the capture people emotion. Candid emotion of people is very live, relates to our hearts and can bring deep emotions. Take a moment to stop and wait till you can capture the magic in eyes. Documents the situation and create meaning in your shot. This part is hard to capture and will take time to perfect. You may shoot many times and get people too far away or lack of emotion from the shot. Notice your surrounding and then stop and take the shot.